Hey guys, it's Mac here from Cryptstar Staking, and today I have an awesome treat for you. Basically, I've gotten top secret clearance to the Rocket Monsters laboratory, and I'm able to test out their new drone prototype. Now, I don't know about you, but I've been really excited for the launch of this game. It's supposed to be coming around December, January, end of year time frame, but we haven't seen much besides these renderings that you can purchase on Calamint. But now it looks like they have some sort of prototype already out, and if you know the right people, you really get access. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and test this out today for you guys, and let me know what you think. If you like this channel, please be sure to hit subscribe and the notifications bell below, of course. And without more to do, let's get started. So, I received this top secret file. Okay, so I think I need to extract it. Go ahead and extract it like that. Extract that right there. Should be able to just open up this Unreal agent. Let's see what it looks like. Go ahead and open this up. The drone prototype. Very nice, very nice. Check it out. Double click. Run. Now I really don't know what this is. I think it's like some sort of 3D rendering or something that you can check out. Maybe just oh yeah. So you can just like look at this guy. We are starting. It looks like you can just kind of look at this guy and see what's going on. Oh, they got some nice music. Very nice, very nice. Look at that. Can I move around? Oh, I can move around. Looks like you can like get in close and see his rendering. Cool. Oh, you know what that says? It says, I think it says Kampi Sekai. Beautiful world. Beautiful. Go and roll around. Sweet, that's so cool. Can you go inside of him? No, you can't. Oh, sweet, you can see like the inside of the gun and everything. That's cool. Oh, it looks like you can like launch the prototype if you press L. Give it a try. Woo! Oh, so exciting! Oh, sweet! There's like a storm outside. Oh, dang. What's this annoying menu? Oh, what? We're crashing? Oh, don't crash. What's going on? Okay. I think we're good now. Am I pressing a button or something? Let's hide the menu. And let's go exploring. See if I can jump. Oh, so you press shift to speed up. You can jump around. That's cool. Jumpy, jumpy, jumpy. I love jumping. Alright. Ooh, let's see if I can shoot. Oh, nice! I can shoot. There's like a little red dot there that you can shoot on things and sparks fly off the wall. That's cool. Wow. Really nice quality. Maintenance area. What do we got here? Oh no! Oh no, I killed my friend. I'm sorry. I disabled my friend. He's fainted. Like Pokemon, right? Don't kill people. See. Oh, he died. I'm sorry. Let's crawl around here. Jumpy, 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 jumpy. What's over here? Oh, dang. I think that was Crazy 80 back there. I don't remember this guy's name. He looks cool. One of my favorite characters. I think I might have a version of him. Sure. I wonder if they rendered my favorite character, the Zipper Face. Zipper Face. Over here. Oh, look at that! Where's that Crazy 80? I really enjoy it. He's standing still. Not moving. Gonna mess you up. Okay, let's see. Oh, look, a little drone. Look how happy he is. Not anymore! Am I evil? I don't know. Jumpy, jumpy! Yeehaw! Oh, there's nothing else over here. It looks like everything is maintenance. Let's see. I can go ahead and shoot all my missiles and it closes. Oh, it reloads it. Okay. And my seals buttons I got. Right click missiles, middle click heavy gun. Oh, there's a heavy. Oh, cool. I think that's like a powerful gun. Looks like they haven't gotten the explosions rendered yet. Probably soon though. Very excited. The main area. Oh, it looks like there's an elevator. Safety foot. Oh, we went here. Oh, oops. My bad, my bad. Go back. Back to the main area. There might be one more hallway. Left side. Try it out. Maybe it's the same. There's like a telephone. Can I go up here? Oh, I can! I can type on the computer. Dear rocket monsters, please make me a real boy. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yes. I want more airdrops. Okay, let's go. Ooh, look at that! Oh, nothing over there. Dun, dun, dun. I think that was everything. Oh, yeah, that was everything. Okay, cool. Oh, wow. Let's look a little fine little circle. Woo! Dancing, dancing. Oh, wow. That was a pretty dang amazing game. I cannot wait for the release in December. Can finally fuel all of my rocket monster hidden desires and needs. Hopefully I can get some of that weird eyeball ice cream too. Get a little couple power-ups. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.
Bro, we need to pump it. Everybody, go to the Twitter and the hashtag the things, pump it. You know, pump it real good. We need a good pump. Everybody deserves a nice Tezos pump.